What is up, folks? How's it going? And welcome to another new episode. In today's video, we're going to be covering some of the top accessories that you need for your Meta Quest 3S headset in order to enhance your gaming experience as well as your comfort level. So let's get started. Alright folks, let's get started on our top accessory review for the Meta Quest 3S. And we're actually going to be starting with the head strap. To be honest with you, the very first time I got my hands on the Quest 3S, the native head strap that it comes with felt extremely tight and uncomfortable, making my gaming experience feel less enjoyable, and I actually had to focus on adjusting this for quite some time to get the right fit. But there are actually two other brands in the industry that manufacture different types of head straps for your Quest 3S. So let's go ahead and take a deeper look.
Unboxing the Elite Comfortable head strap from AMVR was a breeze. The packaging is clean and minimal. AMVR added these super soft cushions for both the top and the back of your head. They're plush, breathable, and provide excellent support. The head strap feels like a premium upgrade right out of the box. Let's talk about the material. The AMVR head strap is crafted from high-quality, durable plastic that feels sturdy yet lightweight. It's definitely built to last. One of my favorite features has to be this easy-to-use adjustment knob. It's so smooth and lets you fine-tune the fit perfectly, no matter your head size. Installation? Super simple. AMVR really nailed it with their design. You can replace the native head strap that comes with your Meta Quest 3S in just a few clicks. No tools, no frustration. Just click and go. Now that it's all set up, I can already feel the difference. The weight is more evenly distributed and it's so comfortable on both the top and the back of my head. And guess what? All this is for just $28.89. The Kiwi Design never disappoints when it comes to presentation. The K4 Boost battery strap is securely packed and comes with everything you need. The padding on the strap is soft yet firm enough to hold its shape even after extended use. Kiwi Design definitely had durability in mind for those long gaming sessions. And with an extra battery built right into the strap, you're getting up to 3 additional hours of playtime. That's a game changer. After just a few simple clicks to replace the native head strap that came with your Quest 3S, and you're ready to go. It's straightforward, hassle-free, and secure. This incredible upgrade to your VR setup comes in at only $55.99. That's a steal. Right out of the box, the Kiwi Design H4 Boost Halo battery strap feels premium and feels like Kiwi Design didn't cut corners here. This is built to last. With the built-in battery pack, this strap gives you up to 3 additional hours of playtime, and the dual fast charging feature is a lifesaver. You can fully charge both the battery strap and your Quest 3S headset in just 2.5 hours. That's speed and efficiency we love to see. Once installed, you'll notice an immediate difference in comfort. The Halo design reduces face pressure, making it perfect for those marathon VR sessions. The 4 cushions innovative ventilation design keeps your head and face cool, even during intense gameplay. And here's the best part. All of this comes at an incredibly affordable price point of just $63.99.
The Meta Quest 3S is an incredible piece of tech, but for extended periods of usages, this could actually feel extremely heavy and uncomfortable on one's head and one's face. As you know, the Quest 3S comes with a woven fabric face pad that is supposed to be more breathable, easier to maintain, and more comfortable on one's face. But from my personal experience, that hasn't been the case. Throughout my experience, I've noticed that it is extremely difficult to maintain and keep it clean, especially when you're sharing with other people's faces. On top of that, there are a lot of different light leaks that I'm experiencing throughout my gameplay experience, proving the fact that this is actually not a snug fit for my face. For that reason, I wanted to try out the silicone face pads that actually provide a better snug fit option for one's face, and it's actually easier to maintain and clean. So let's go ahead and take a look.
Now let's take a look at the leather facial interface and silicone pad products by AMVR. While both interfaces serve the same purpose, one version caters to those who prefer a bit more coverage for the forehead area. It's all about finding the perfect fit for your comfort level. The high-quality leather and sponge materials feel soft and luxurious. These are game-changing accessories that enhance comfort and hygiene for your VR experience. Both designs feature excellent ventilation, which adds a ton of relief during longer sessions. Trust me, staying cool while immersed in VR makes a huge difference. Plus, the silicone nose pad is a fantastic addition, blocking any unwanted outside light so you can stay fully immersed in your game or experience. AMVR did not stop there. They've included lens covers to protect your Quest 3S lenses when not in use. It's these thoughtful little extras that really make a difference. These premium upgrades are priced at just $26. With their comfort, quality, and added features like lens covers, they're an affordable way to elevate your VR setup.
Alright, now that we've covered some of the comfort elements for the MetaQuest 3S, now let's take a look at the gaming experience and the accessories built for that. The MetaQuest 3S comes with 2 controllers, and they actually have wristbands for you to put on so that these don't go flying everywhere. But that being said, at times, it is definitely difficult to get a better grip on this because there's no textured layer within the handle of the controllers. So for that reason, I got the performance controller grips from Kiwi Design so that I can not only ensure that I have a better grip on my controllers, but also ensure that I don't damage these controllers while playing all these fun games that I'm so excited to play with. The MetaQuest 3S controllers are very well and ergonomically designed, fitting into your hand so that you can actually do all the movements necessary where fitting within the game, whether it is the first-person shooters, the tennises, or the lightsabers that you wish to control within the game. But that being said, if you're looking for a more real, enhanced, and more of an immersive gaming experience, there are a lot of accessories out there that you can combine with your own controllers to get what you're looking for. These types of tools truly mimic the tools that you want to use within the gaming experience and making it more real and enhanced for your gameplay experience. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of them.
We're unboxing and testing out the Ambison handle attachment accessory for the MetaQuest 3S controllers. These handles are designed to take your VR gameplay to the next level, and I can't wait to see how they perform. Assembly is quite simple. Once everything's snapped in place, you're good to go. Alright, now that the Ambison handles are ready, it's time to jump into some games and see what these are all about. First up, I decided to play a classic, Fruit Ninja. You know that game we all loved playing on our iPads back in the day? Well, VR takes it to a whole new level. With the Ambison handles, it honestly felt like I was holding real katanas. Slicing fruit has never been so satisfying. Next, I tested the handles in VR tennis, and this is where they really shined. The Ambison attachments gave me a much better sense of control and power during my serves. Now I'm not a golfer, but the golf club accessory from AMVR looks like the real deal. The design is sleek, well thought out, and sturdy. It feels like AMVR really nailed both the look and the feel of a golf club. Even before jumping into the game, I can tell this is going to elevate my VR golfing experience. Now let's talk setup. The attachment uses a dual locking mechanism that keeps your Quest 3S controller secure during every swing. It's super easy to install, and once it's locked in, there's absolutely no wobble. Plus, the design ensures there's no interference with tracking, which is crucial for accurate gameplay. To test this out, I fired up Walkabout Mini Golf on MetaQuest 3S. And wow, did this attachment deliver. Even though I'm no pro golfer, I felt like I was out on the green. The added weight and the realistic design made each swing feel natural, and I got completely immersed in the game. It's crazy how something so simple can make such a big difference, and only for $39.99. The AMVR pistol grip controller accessories for the MetaQuest 3S controllers are designed specifically to enhance your VR shooter experience. Right out of the box, they look well built and feel sturdy. Assembly is super simple. You just slide your Quest 3S controllers into the grips and they snap securely into place. To put these grips to the test, I jumped into Population 1. Right off the bat, it made a huge difference. The realistic feel added a whole new level of immersion. Every shot felt more precise, and aiming down sights just felt natural.
Alright folks, now that we've covered some of the accessories that provide additional benefit and value for your comfort and gameplay experience, let's take a look at some storage options.
If you're like me and want a clean, safe, and stylish place to store and display your VR headset, this stand from AMVR could be just what you need. Inside the box, you'll find several pieces neatly packed. At first, it might seem like a lot, but don't worry, assembly is super simple and straightforward. Here it is, the AMVR Universal VR Stand fully assembled. It's sturdy, sleek, and doesn't take up too much space. Whether you set it up in your game room, living room, or office, this stand gives you a VR headset, a safe, organized spot to sit. With Meta's compact carrying case for the Quest 3S, you can take your headset on all your adventures with the lightweight case that fits easily into your backpack or carry-on. With a felt shell, contoured plastic inner compartments, and an integrated mesh pouch, it'll keep your gear secure and organized wherever you go.
Alright folks, that's it for this week's episode. Thank you so much for joining me in reviewing some of the top accessories for the Meta Quest 3S headset. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have any questions or comments, definitely type them down below. And if you would like to share your Meta Horizon handle with me so that we can actually have some gameplay experiences together and connect over anything virtual reality and mixed reality, also comment down below. Otherwise, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next episode. Take care.